சீமான் அவர்களை
What kind of nation you and I are living in? We are living in a country in which corruption and bribery are nationalized. Everybody hates corruption. Everybody hates bribery. Then who bribes and who gets the bribe? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. As per law, getting dowry is a crime. But still a number of women remain unmarried even at the age of 35 just because they could not give dowry. So what's happening here? They show an illusion and they call it development. Highway roads, tall buildings that are covered with shining glasses. This is development. That's what they want us to believe. The government talks about development every day, but still millions of children in our country are suffering without food, without nutrition, and fall sick. The future of the country is these little children. You are incapable to feed them, so you are unworthy to talk about development. What is development? What is development? Do you know what kind of economic policy your country has got? It's the worst economic policy. Privatization, liberalization, globalization, and the country that has accepted this economic policy will never grow, never prosper. Here the chief ministers are all Indian brokers, and the prime minister, international broker. You must know one thing, that a country's leader who has accepted the market economy will be a broker. He will do a broker's job among local and foreign corporate companies and people. He can just play the role of a broker. He cannot be a leader who can serve his people wholeheartedly and take the role of a leader. The Prime Minister of the country says, 70 years of independent India. But there are thousands of villages where people don't have electricity. Yes. How will people come to electronic transaction when they don't have electricity? No answer. Have you ever seen anywhere in the world except for here where this kind of stupidity is called development? Now they have invented Digital India, Clean India. India will be in everything, but he will not be in India. It's a fate. We are living in a country in which 280 millions of people go to bed without food. You should understand that. Do you know what they are planning for? Smart city, not smart villages. You must understand one thing. Development is, for example, my physical fitness is based on from my toe to head, growing all the parts equally is called development and called physical fitness. But if my shoulder alone is getting bigger, it's not healthy, it's not development, it's a disease. A country's economic development is developing the economy equally in all the parts of the country. The economic development of the cities alone is not a development, it's a disease. Some people may call us anti-Indians, anti-nationalists, whatsoever, and they call themselves patriots. But within 10 years from now, you will definitely come to know who is the real leader.